Are you also confused about whether you should or should not exercise during pregnancy? Hi everyone, let's try to clear all the confusion and myths around this particular topic once and for all. Hi, I'm Swapnil Kaushik, a childbirth educator and lactation consultant. And my channel, Mom's Preg-Ladder, talks about everything to do with pregnancy, birth and beyond. There is plenty of research on this, and also working with moms to be, I know the physical and mental benefits of healthy living just in general. So definitely maintaining a regular exercise program or staying active during pregnancy would help you stay healthy and help you feel your best during pregnancy. How it will benefit you during pregnancy? We are the world's most natural bodybuilders. Mommies, you are literally building a body inside you. Those tiny toes, a heart that beats, eyes that blink. You are constructing another human inside you. I don't know why the image of women being delicate, even helpless, especially during pregnancy, has been formed. Now let's listen to the endless list of benefits. Number 1, labor and delivery may be easier, boosts baby's brain maturity. It can reduce mother's blood pressure. It also lowers the gestational diabetes risk by as much as 41%. You feel more energetic, you sleep better. It may also boost child's athletic potential growing up. It also develops a healthier heart of the baby. Also, yoga and meditation are so good and useful during pregnancy because pregnancy comes with a bundle of emotions due to pregnancy hormones, which yoga helps regulate. Now, you may wonder what kind of exercises are beneficial. Well, butterfly pose, warrior pose, squatting, gentle aerobics, Pilates, Kegels, cat and cow, mountain pose, pregnancy Surya Namaskar. All these exercises increase the suppleness of the joints, widening the pelvic diameter. They help in loosening the hip joint, increase the blood circulation and send good oxygen supply to the pelvic floor, which is so important. Of course, there are certain medical reasons due to which you will not be allowed to exercise. So before starting any regime, get a go-ahead from your doctor. Our antenatal fitness classes help you to connect to the baby in the womb, strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, work on the posture and upper body strength for breastfeeding journey. Bonding with the baby, paying attention to your physical as well as mental health by staying more active and happy throughout your 9 months and after delivery are important. If you found this video helpful, kindly share and subscribe.